All right, thanks for stopping by. Check this out. This is the 200-watt folding solar panel from Rophie. Amanda's got one just like this, adventuring with Amanda, and she loves her, so I thought I'd check it out. Just charged up my power station with it, and look at all of these adapters that come with it. Every kind you can imagine. So no matter what power station you have, this will probably fit it. It's kind of overcast today, so this is not the day to show what wattage this panel can bring in, but I've seen Amanda's panel at 175. So we'll do another video on a completely sunny day, but the clouds are coming and going today. Shadows are showing right now. But look how thin this is. It's so lightweight, so portable. It's got a good handle on it with a magnet built in. It's got a pouch built into it with a good zipper. Keep all your cabling in. It's got the legs built into it so you can angle it at the sun however you want. But it's so much thinner and more lighter weight than my other 200-watt folding panel. So this will store much easier. I'll leave a link in the description box below the title of the video in case you're looking for one so you can see all the specs about it. And if they send me any discount codes, they'll be listed there too. So let me give you a quick view of the place. This is my last day here. It's a great place. It's convenient to Buckeye, Arizona, but there is a lot of target shooters here, and there is a lot of flies here. I don't know what's up with all these flies. So I'm going to be packing up and going. So I'll be giving my old 200-watt panel away to someone in Quartzsite because I'll be headed there in a few days. And I'll put a community post up about that, so be on the lookout for that. But let me show you this cables again. See, MC4s come off of the panel, and then they send you this adapter also that connects to that. And it's got everything, it's got your XT60 and all of your barrel connectors and Anderson connector. And that's so important because if you get a solar panel, you want to know that it's going to work with your power station. So I wish every company would just go ahead and send you this multi-adapter. That's really smart. It folds up much thinner than my old panel. I'll show you that in just a moment. And that's important also because I have to store this thing in my cargo box on the rack on the back of the van where I keep all my portable panels. Here it is folded up. Let me show you how thin this is. What is that? An inch at the handles and even thinner at the panel. Super lightweight. All the specs in the link below will tell you about the dimensions and the weight. Make sure you pay attention to that before you order it. Zip up your cabling, keep it all stored away in the pouch. You go, Rophie. So easy to tote around. I love portable panels because there are times I have to park my van in the shade in the summer to keep it cool. And I have those solar panels mounted on top of the van, which are doing no good when I'm parked in the shade. So it's great to be able to have portable panels that you can lay out in the sun, charge up your power station while you're parked in the shade, staying nice and cool. Or if you don't have panels mounted on top of your van like I do, you can just use these and just set them out in the sun when you get to camp. Yeah, if you just want to keep it simple and you don't want to go about the trouble of mounting solar panels on top of your rig, just get a couple of these. Put them out when you need them, put them away when you don't. I've never had a 200-watt folding panel this large that was this thin and lightweight before. Usually they're kind of big and bulky and maybe a little cumbersome to set up, but not this one. This one's a piece of cake. I do like the adjustable legs on it because that is so important in the evening when you're trying to catch that last little bit of sun. You can just stand them up on the legs and face it right at the sun and get the most wattage possible. Okay, well, check out the link if you're in the market. Thanks for watching. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.